Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are installing a dedicated traffic cam on a BMW X3. This is how the original plastic trim looks like on the car. And the guys from Mercylion have developed a simple design, effective dash cam. In the package you get the bypass cable. You also get this cable. They are the only one selling it. This cable gives you the possibility of using the OBD as a power source, which means that you can connect the camera. You can use it even if the engine is turned off and the car is locked. So 24/7 parking. And right now we are going to install it. First thing I want to do is insert the SD card, because we have this slot over here, but it's fairly protected by the plastic trim, and it's important to do it first before you get the camera into place, because otherwise it will be a bit difficult. And you can do it using this plastic trim, or you can remove the trim, because it's made out of two parts and we have to separate these two parts. And you have to be very careful, because there are some small plastic hooks over here that are holding everything in place, and in order to dismantle everything you have to do it very careful. Yeah, so this is one of the first things you have to do in order to get the rear view mirror over here in this hole. And now we have to remove this plastic trim. It should go off easily. Okay, everything seems to be in order. And yeah, the plastic trim is off, and we are lucky all these small rims right here are okay, so we will keep it. And now we have to play with the cables. So this is the main cable, the main connection for powering up the camera. It's this one right here, the purple one. So the connection is complete, fast and simple. Now we have to connect the camera itself and find a suitable place for these wires. And we should have power. Yeah. The camera is working. And I just took a snapshot. I haven't installed it in its final position because I wanted to make sure that everything works. And it seems that indeed it's working. All I have to do is remove this cover. Everything should snap into place. Yeah, just like that. The camera is installed. This is its final position. And right now the next step is to download the Mercylion.com or the Mercylion app, which is over here. And we should be able to see the camera. Intră pe Google Play și descarcă aplicația. Yeah, we have the Mercylion Wi-Fi connection. Okay. We are connected and we should be able to see the DVR. Enter. Voila, this is the DVR. This is the app. As you know, as some of you may know, we can see it in full screen. The camera is recording in loop, which means that it will permanently record when the engine is started. Over here we have the DVR files, videos or the pictures. From the app we can take a snapshot, we can stop a video recording. We have various settings: the loop recording, WDR, the EV. We can toggle the audio to be recorded or not. time watermarking, yeah, frequency, volume, video resolution, 4K, 2K or Full HD. We also can set up the G-sensor sensitivity, movie parking ward, movie time-lapse, also the Wi-Fi. We can format the SD card, we can factory reset, and also we have the firmware version in the settings. And I want to show you, yeah, that it's recording. And if we want to download a certain recording, yeah, we have the possibility of downloading it using this button, download. It will download very fast because we have the Wi-Fi speeds. The connection is fast and stable. Usually a 3-minute recording will have around 200 megabytes or 300 megabytes, and you will be able to download it in about 2 minutes on your phone. And then we can save it on the smartphone. So this is the recording. Very, very nice. One important thing, if you use an Android phone, you have to get the phone's language to English, then install the app, then the app will automatically install in English, otherwise you will get the Chinese. And voila, we are connected to an Android phone. This is what the camera sees, 4K. On the bottom corner on the left we have the date and time. As I've said, the same settings, the album, and if another thing you should know, if you enter the album, the recording will automatically stop. So the image is clear. You can see the number plates from the cars. Very, very easy. Even if the car is speeding, the recording is saved in 4K, and afterwards you can stop the frame exactly when you want to in order to see the number plate or anything else. Let's see the album, and we're just going to save this video. So first you have to download the video into the app, from the microSD card to the app, and then from the app you can share it or save it on the phone. So it's downloaded, and now I can share it. I send it to WhatsApp, and now I'm going to connect again on my iPhone to the Mercylion app. Let's see the DVR, enter DVR, and show you that we have all the recordings, and I'm interested in this one. So I'm going to download it to have it at a 4K resolution. Okay, so the video is saved, and I'm going to save it to my phone, and voila, we have it on my phone. Very, very nice. So this is the Mercylion A20 OEM Dashcam, suitable for BMW X3. You can buy it using the link in the video description. As you saw, the installation is easy, everything is plug and play, everything fits perfectly, and I can say that this new camera, this new plastic trim stays in place even better than the original one. Thank you for your time, and until next time, drive safe and take care. Bye bye.